No! I died to the wave! We're supposed to be racing a bacon right now, and you're trying to troll me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I just got hit and I'm stuck ragdolling. And I died. And I freaking died.
Bro, have they still not made it to the end? They're not, like, flexing in chat that they made it to the end or anything. I think I might actually beat them even though I died, like, twice.
Wait, Mango, I made it back to the Lucky Blocks. I'm gonna grab them. Come on. Come on,
grab
man. No, with the bacon came, bro. What?
I'm gonna steal the Lucky Blocks. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. He's right here. He's right here. Let me steal him. Let me steal him. I'm gonna steal him.
Wait, yo, the bacon stole both of them. The bacon stole both of them. The bacon stole both of them, bro.
Go, 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 go.
Bro, are you serious, Demon? Are you serious? You got our Lucky Blocks stolen?
Go, go, go. Come on. I got a Cosmic and an Emerald Cosmic. Oh, my gosh. I cannot let Demon get these back.
Demon, are you freaking serious?
I cannot let them... No, come on, please. Make it back to the end.
Dude, hold on. I gotta upgrade my speed so I can catch him. Hold on. Come on, please. Please.
Yes! Yes, I got them! I got the Lucky Blocks!
He